Hey, this is Captain Kate Fairclough of Ollie Raja Realty. We want to show you our new listing at 1095 Indigo Branch. Why don't you come on in and take a look. This home's located in Supply, which we're on the mainland side of Holden Beach, North Carolina. Holden was voted one of America's top family beaches. As we enter the house, we've got vaulted ceilings. That's for a nice effect. Also vaulted ceilings here in the living room, which works as your dining room too. Nice open floor plan, very roomy and spacious for entertaining and having guests over, friends and family. The kitchen's a galley style, plenty of cabinetry, nice and simple here, but open into the main room. You're gonna be at the beach a lot here, or probably fishing, so you're gonna need this room. This is your washroom, washer and dryer, pantry area. So you got easy access to your outside shower, which is in the backyard. You have a side load door. Also can get you to the front, paved walkway. Lots of storage up top, 2-car garage, room for your surfboards, e-bikes, motorcycles, or 2 cars. This is your primary bedroom, tray ceilings. Got a nice sized walk-in closet, easy access to your bathroom where you have a tub, dual vanity, and also there's a stand-up shower. So the home's a little over 2,100 square feet. It's 3 bedrooms with a bonus room. You have a bathroom here for your guests and also for your number 2 and number 3 bedroom. The first one's set up 2 single beds. It does have a nice sized closet. And then we head in here, we have a towel closet. This one's set up with a twin bed. And then we have dual closets. Come check out my favorite room in the house, the bonus room. Makes for a great man cave, playroom for the kids, be an awesome office, or how the homeowner has it set up, for sleeping quarters. If you like to hang outside like me, you have a 3 seasons room. You have the plexi for wintertime to keep it warm in here. And then also it does raise up, so you have a screened-in porch. If it was me, I'd set up my Traeger here for grilling. Deck space area, cool place to entertain your friends. Back patio, where we have a gas grill, also a great place for a charcoal grill. I'll put a hot tub, plenty of room in the backyard for a pool. Let your dog play, lots of trees out back, Mother Nature, birds in the morning. Outside shower. Thanks for coming and checking out our listing here at 1095 Indigo Branch in Holden Beach, North Carolina. Got a bonus for you guys. This place is mostly furnished. One of the neighborhoods that's really dear to my heart. I love this place. I love the neighbors in the area. We're located really close to the Atlantic Ocean. Local boat ramps, 3 minutes from the closest public beach access. If you're interested, give myself or my wife Bria a call at Ollie Raja Realty. We'd love to schedule a private showing for you. Thanks for coming out.